In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 different websites which are all earning over $20,000 a month. And here's the thing what I think you're going to find interesting in this video. They're all in different categories and niches, and it isn't that difficult when you actually learn about, the method of, creating a blog or a website and how it all works. Now, what I'll do is I'll share with you the websites, I'll share with you the earnings, because as we can see over here, 25,000 in 1 month. We've got this one over here, 22,000, and we've got another one. I'll share with you these websites, we'll break it down, and then I'll also share with you some free resources if you want to go into this method of making money online yourself. Because look, a website or a blog is essentially a passive income once you build this up. Now, let's jump into the first one and I'll walk you through it, and I'll also share with you how they're actually earning money with these different websites, okay? So this is the first one. It's called Finsavvypanda Com. Now, this is the income report, and we can see in November of 2020, so this was, a little over a year and a half ago, they earn this amount of money, which is insane, isn't it, from a website. So how are they earning money with this? Well, the first one is right here in front of us. This is an ad with a company called Mediavine. So what happens is, once your website gets up to a certain number of visitors each month, you can monetize that with annoying ads, okay? Like we can see over here, like the one we just saw a minute ago. So that's one way they're making money with these. The other way is, believe it or not, this over here is how this website is earning money, because guess what? She will show you how to, or he, maybe he, they will show you how to start a blog, and inside of this free course here, they will recommend hosting, they will recommend certain themes for a website and other bits, and basically they get paid for it. Now, if I scroll down here, look, this is the great thing what I like about blogging, okay? From earning extra money in my first year of blogging, this little blog of mine eventually allowed me to quit my job. And look, I was quite surprised and never imagined I would be able to take this from zero to over $10,000 in 2 years, okay? Now they're earning over $20,000 a month, and they're so I'm scrolling down here and they're going to show us, how they're earning the money with this. So you can see on here, look, this over here, look, this again is, look, if you click on here and sign up to their email course, within that email, they will have affiliate products. Then we've got an ad on here, so they're earning money from this. Another one here. Scroll further on the page here. So let's have a look at this. This website is 3 years old. So after 3 years, it's up to 20 grand a month. And if we scroll down here, you can see more ads. Let's come a bit further on the page. So is it possible to make money? Yes, it is. Obviously, we can see we've got another ad here. But basically, how they're earning money with this website is it's all the same. It's affiliate marketing, and it's also with ads. Now, there's a number of other ways that they can earn money from this. Blimey. The problem with these websites is because they have so many ads on them, it really does slow down. So look, here we go. Finally, the income. So display advertising in November alone earned $5,000 from having these ads on the website, okay? Then we can see affiliate income. Now this breaks it down into, they've got Amazon Associates in here, they've got saving money and budget resources, survey sites, cashback apps, etc. Then they've got blogging tools and resources. And that's basically it. So you see on here, 25,000 from this up here. And then they've also got their own digital products. And if we scroll down here, we can see the total expenses for this and the overall income. So, it's not bad, is it? Going from zero to over 20 grand a month, 3 years, passively, I think you'll agree, is pretty good. Now, if we scroll back up to the top of this page here, let me drag this and take it up actually. What sort of stuff do they share about on here? So let's go to the home page, and I'll show you the type of, content they're sharing. So scroll down here, look, how to save money, making money, and blogging. That's it. It's not that difficult to create these types of websites, and you can do this completely for free. So this is one website. Look, how to get free money, honest swag books review, how to make money on Pinterest, survey sites, and lots more. So that's one example for you. But come over here, look, we can see this one here. They earned $25,000 in 1 month. Now this website over here is called the Shabby Creek. Now if I go over to, let's just get this to the home page. I'll show you the home page of this one. Over on this website here, we can see they're sharing, look, how to paint furniture, easy DIY wooden tags, and all sorts of things like this. And then they've got recipes on here and other bits. But and we've got more food recipes down here. But you can see here they're all earning in the same way. So you can see on here, this is an ad. Let's scroll up here, we've got another ad here and another ad here, and they're all the same way. So look again, how to start a blog in under 15 minutes. If I was to click on here, it's either going to, no, I thought it was going to take me to a sign up page. Now if we scroll down here, look, how to start up, inside of here, look, let's come further down the page here. It's basically, look, how much will it cost? Look, here we go. This here is an affiliate link because, you know, if anybody wants to start a website or a blog, previously it wasn't free. It is now, and I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. But this here, if I click on that, it opens up in a new tab. This is an affiliate link, okay? So if I was to buy a website or a blog on here, then the owner of this website would earn money from this. Come further on the page. I'm sure we've got some more stuff in here. So we've got that. And if we keep coming further down here, look, there'll be more stuff. So we've got another link to Bluehost. And look, simple advice from a seasoned 6-figure blogging. Want to learn how to make money blogging? Again, if I click on here, it's taking me over well, it's taking me back over there. So this is another website. And again, you notice on here where everyone's trying to collect your emails. There's a reason for that. Obviously, you can, you know, if you like the content on any website, you can go into their email list. And what happens is, inside of their email list, they will email you about, you know, different blog articles that they've created, YouTube videos, and lots more. And inside of there, again, they're driving the traffic back to the original content, and they can earn money. So that is a, you know, a completely different niche. And then we've got this one over here, which is just a girl and hair blog. Now this one over here, they no longer share the up-to-date reports. Now this one, you can see, this goes back to 2016. In 2016, this website was earning over $41,000 a month. Now, I'll show you what sort of content they're sharing on this one. So if I come up here, click on Abby Lawson, and we can see, look, organising, decorating, and blogging. There's a recurring theme, isn't there? No matter what category they're in, they're all sharing, you know, articles about blogging. Because there's a lot of money to be made from blogging. You can sell your own courses, you can recommend affiliate products, there's themes, templates, security, and lots more. So you can see, look, the content here. So these are all 3 different websites in 3 completely different categories, and they're all earning over $20,000 a month, okay? So let me share with you some resources for this, because, you know, if you like the idea of going into blogging, but you don't particularly like writing, I'll share with you some tools for that. If you like the idea of getting this up, but you think, well, I don't have any money, I'll show you this as well. So the first website is this one over here, and don't worry, I'll drop links to all of this below for you. It's this one over here, and it's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now inside of here, this website, and again, I've shared this in the past for good reason, because look, it's a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. So whether you're just starting, whether you have some experience already, they will show you how to transform your idea into profits, i.e. a website. Doesn't matter what category you're going into. You've got some examples on here. It's like the camera niche, the phone niche, you know, prams, watches, electronics, etc. And we've got this on here. Look, build a beautiful, profit-ready website. No design skill needed. It's just drag and drop. And literally, it's drag and drop, but ultimately, in a couple of minutes, it says 30 seconds. It's a bit longer than that. But realistically, in about 30 minutes, you can have a website up and ready, and it's optimized for you. Now, the cool thing about this platform and why I recommend it is not only do they give you the website for free, they then share with you proven strategies to drive traffic, which means how to get your content ranked on the search engines, how to structure your articles, and then they also show you how to partner up with different brands here. So we've got Amazon, eBay, and many more. It's available in 193 countries, and it's pretty good. Okay, so you can go ahead and start this. Now, this brings me on to the next resource I have for you, which you can start for free, and it's this one over here. So let me go here and we'll type in Jasper. Now, this over here, you can try this out completely for free for 10,000 words. So using the link down below, if I move my head, you can see, look, your friend gave you 10,000 words to try Jasper for free. So what is Jasper? Well, basically, it's AI technology. And you can see down here, we've got lots of companies who are using this. We've got Airbnb, IBM, and many more. Now, if I scroll down here, you can use this for a number of things. So look, it's trained to write original creative content, okay? And it says here, we consulted with the world's best SEO, stands for search engine optimization, and direct response marketing experts to teach Jasper, which is the AI, how to write blog articles, social media posts, website, and lots more. It's awesome. Again, I've shared this in the past. I recommend it. But like I say, you can try this out for free to see what you think of this. But let me show you what it looks like on the inside. And I'll show you, because I have a number of websites where I use this software literally most days. So if I come down here, look, you can see we've got all of these here. So this is something new they've just added, and I'll show you this now. And you can see I've been using this for some things. So what is your paragraph about? So let's just say I was creating an article about, anything. It doesn't matter. So if I was doing, say, 5 easy ways, let's go with this. So 5 easy ways to earn online, okay? What I can do is, inside of here, I can use this to create paragraph by paragraph. So let's just go with this. So I'll copy this, I'll go earn online, and I'll paste that in here. And I'm just going to click on Generate AI. Now, do remember, using the link down below, you get 10,000 words for free. So when you click on Generate, the words that it puts over here, this deducts from that 10,000, okay? So once this finishes spinning down here, which normally takes a second, look, we've got this. So we've got 2 different outputs, so I can have a look at these. So look, there are plenty of ways to earn money online these days with a little effort, So you can see it's starting to work for us. So if I had my website open next to me, I could take this here and paste that in and start creating. The other thing, what I do inside of here is if I come over here and I go to, let me go to documents, I'll show you this really quickly. And you can see, look, these are some of the articles that I've been doing. So this one here, 2 hours ago, and a few more. So let me just click on create a new one, and we'll click on, let's just go from scratch so you can see this. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go to the paragraph. So 5 easy ways to earn online. I'm going to paste that there, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm just going to type write an outline. Okay, write an outline, and basically I just use this to create content. So all I do now is I copy this like so, and I click on Control and Enter, and it's basically going to, you can see on here, look, so it's given me 5 different ways to make money online. So now I take this over here, create a website, or any of these, and I come over here, write what is your paragraph about? I'm going to put in create a website, keyword, I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to scroll down and click on Generate AI Content. And again, once this finishes loading down here, it will give me the text down here, okay? So look, creating a website can seem like a daunting task, So basically, I would take this, like so, I'll copy that, come back over here, and I'll put that underneath here. And you can see on here, I need to add a bit more text on there. So all I do here is I click on Compose, and it's then started going on to the next one for me. And again, if I click on Compose, I can do it this way. So I can use this paragraph generator. I can also use it over here on the right hand side. And if I just keep on clicking on Compose, it'll literally just keep going through and doing this for me, okay? And you can see on here, it sounds good, it is good, and you can also partner this up with a plagiarism checker to make sure this is all 100%, it's not legitimate, it's not being copied from another website. So this is, as I've mentioned, you get 10,000 words to use this completely for free. So you can use this over with this platform here to have a website up and earning, and realistically, making money online. And as we've seen here, it doesn't matter what category you go into or what niche. You can make money in a number of ways with a website or a blog, and once you've created that content, you can then go ahead and create another one and another one, and basically this is how you build up a blog. You literally just start putting out content, and inside of your content you link out to different affiliate products which will be helpful or beneficial to the actual article you're talking about. So look, links are down below to everything. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, overall, making money online with a blog is a pretty good way to go. So yeah, thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.